In your early career, things can be pretty isolated. It feels isolated because most of the time a practice will only take one junior person. And then you are the new kid on the block, the most junior person. You don't have any experience with what it's supposed to be like. And it's a challenge to find a group of people who are both going through something similar in your same stage of career, and you're talking about it in front of people who have already been there. And sometimes in front of people who are directing how this will go for the people at their institutions. And so first and foremost, a community of peers that the thoughts you have and the doubts you have and the successes that seem small but in your head are huge. Being able to share those and understand that you are right on track, that is invaluable for my sleep at night.